Hi friends, this video shows how to fix the issue. Navigation buttons are missing or not visible. See here, navigation buttons are not visible. I will show you how to fix this. Go to settings, tap on the settings up icon. Go to display, tap here. Go down, tap on navigation bar. See here, right now I have selected swipe gestures. That is the reason buttons are not visible here on the navigation bar. So let me set these buttons. Tap on buttons. So now we can see buttons here. So this way we can bring back missing navigation buttons. See. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.